Randy Victory from Jonesboro, Arkansas.
What's this truck?
It's a 1986 359.
And how long have you had it?
About 7 years.
And what's the engine, transmission, all that?
It's got a 4 1/4 cat with a 10-speed.
Do you work this truck?
Yes.
Every day?
Yes.
What do you haul?
Haul grain.
You did a ton of work yourself.
I done all the work myself, inside and out, paint job, everything.
Where did it begin? What did you start with? Did you start years ago? Have you been working on it the whole time?
I worked on it 4 years,
Okay.
off and on, 4 years. Yes.
While still working it, or did you have another truck?
I had another truck I was running, and then I worked on this one.
And how long has it been finished?
Probably almost a year now.
Okay. What is your favorite detail of your truck? I know there's a lot.
The whole truck.
You were telling me about the secret behind the lights that you have in your truck. How did you?
About the floor and stuff.
These things here that aren't your average watermelon
Oh, okay.
lights.
You talking about the watermelon lights in the cab and stuff?
Yeah.
Well, I went to Chrome Shop and stuff and was looking at the pieces to put the watermelon lights in the cab and stuff, and they was around $150 to $175. So with that night, I went by Lowe's and walked through in there where the bathroom stuff is. So the light fixtures in the bathrooms are the same as the ones at the Chrome Shop. They was $3, so I just bought them.
So did you find a lot of little tricks along the way
Yes.
to help cut costs a little bit?
Oh, a whole lot of tricks.
Yeah. What else?
And the sleeper and stuff, it come off a 74 model, and I want a suicide door, so I just turned the sleeper around backwards where I have suicide door and a back window.
So did it have a back window that is now your
No.
crawl through? You made that.
Yes.
But now it has a back window.
It has a back window and plus suicide doors.
Excellent. Did you do the upholstery
Do
yourself?
the upholstery myself. The backboard of this right here is the pegboard that goes inside your shop that you hang your tools and stuff on. So I cut all that out and sold all the.
Have you done other upholstery along the way, or did you learn a lot while you were building?
Learn on the way. Yes.
And do you plan on building more trucks?
Yes, I'm working on 2 right now.
For yourself or other people?
For myself.
Oh,
I got my
nice.
dad's 70 model Pete. He bought brand new in '69. Working on it, and I got a '84 Cowboy Pete I'm working on.
Is there a chance we'll see them here next year?
Maybe the 70 model.
Excellent.
Yes.
Well, very nice. Thank you for being here. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Yeah.